Cross him. Told ya.
What's that look good? Yeah.
The ice.
Blackie.
Blackie comes through in the clutch.
Oh yeah, he wasn't going anywhere.
Flying by your head.
Nice fish.
Nicely done.
Good bass on the black frog. Let her go. Dude, right at the pipe. Oh, dude, big fish. He was buried in there. Dude, right at the pipe. Oh, dude, big fish. Oh, wow. He was buried in there. Oh. I think he had like a ton of bricks. That thing hit like a ton of bricks. All right, we got him. We got him under control now. He's hooked solid. Oh, piggy, 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 piggy. Wow. Piggy, 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 piggy. Piggy, 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 piggy. Buzzer. He was hiding in there. Buzzbait. Can't go, don't leave home without it.